Hey everyone, this is Kayla with AllProWebTools. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create and edit a gallery, as well as how to integrate it within your web pages. You see up at the top menu bar, you can view the photo gallery. If you click on it, it brings you to the photo gallery page. I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. To create a gallery, you can first make sure that you have all of the images that you want in it already located in AllProWebTools. To do this, you can hover over Website and click on Manage Images and Files. This is where all of your images and files can be saved through AllProWebTools, and this is what you access when adding images to your gallery. If you want to add any, simply press any of the options here at the top left. You can press Upload to upload an image, or you can upload a file, as well as create a folder. Now here, we highly suggest creating a different folder for each gallery that you have. That way it's more organized and you have them all in one place. If you press New Folder, it'll just ask you for the folder name. You type it in, and you can create it. Now that I've created my new folder, I can click and drag any pre-existing images on here and put them in my folder. So now that I have my two different gallery folders, I can click on them and see the images that I have in there. Once you've successfully uploaded all of the images you need for your gallery, you can head over to Website and click on Gallery. Here you can already see pre-existing galleries. You can either edit them or delete them, or you can create a new one. That's what we're going to do. Now here you name it, and here for the image width, 200 pixels is highly recommended, but you can do whatever you want. And here you can decide how many images are allowed per page. And if you decide not to crop the thumbnails, AllProWebTools won't automatically crop your images. We highly suggest doing that just because it creates a more uniform and attractive look. We're going to press Create Gallery. And we can see here that it's saved, but the gallery doesn't have any images. We can simply click over the next tab, Add Images to Gallery. And now that I created a folder here, as you can see, if I just click on it, I already have all my images here. And I can simply select all of them and hit Add to Gallery. Now that I have them here, I can add a caption, or if I wanted this flower to be the third photo that they see, I can simply click and hold it and pull it over in between these two. So once I see that's highlighted, I let it go, and it places it there. I can also add a caption if I choose so, and I'll show you what that looks like. You can see that it's saved, so we're going to go to Gallery, and we're going to create another gallery as well. So now that we have our galleries saved, we can view the galleries right here. We do have to keep the gallery ID in mind. So as you can see under ID right here on the left-hand side, you can see the numbers. So with my gallery number 1 and gallery number 2, gallery number 1 is ID number 4, and gallery number 2 is ID number 5. I will have to remember that when I decide to integrate them into my web page. So if we click on viewing the website here, you can see that in my menu bar, I don't have a photo galleries page. Since I created my galleries and I want to add them into my menu bar, I can simply go back to my AllProWebTools account, and I can hover over Website and click on My Web Pages. Here, I can either edit a pre-existing page, or I can create a new page. After I type in the name, I go over here and press the Add button, and I can decide which editor I want to edit with. We use the Tiny MCE. We are going to go to Settings, and if we can see here, it is already public. And the page name, this is what they will see in the menu bar. And here, this is where you can click on whether or not you can see it in the menu bar. So right now it's hidden, but if we click this, it turns it on. Here in the navigation precedence, this just means where it's going to be located within that menu bar. So it can be either first that's listed, second, third, fourth. We're going to say it'll be the fourth option in the menu bar. And we're going to learn more about the parent page later in this video. But for now, there's not going to be any parent page. And we just go up here and click Save. Now that we have that, we can go to our website, and see that it's right here. However, when you click on it, it doesn't take you anywhere. That's because we don't have any content in it yet. We can go back, edit the web page, and here, once it's highlighted, we just click on it. And now this is where the IDs come in handy. If we go up here where it says Widgets, we're going to drop down and we're going to find Gallery. Whenever you add a widget, it'll automatically add it as the default, which is number 1. But in our case, our gallery images were number 4 and number 5. So we need to go right here and tell it that we want number 4. Then we press enter because we're going to add another image gallery. And this one was number 5. Now that we have those widgets in there, we can press save. Now if we click back on our website, we can see that the images are now there. Now let's say you wanted tabs within your image gallery web page. So this means that you would have your main one, but you would also have different tabs that you can click on, such as if you would like to use a before and after gallery. In order to do that, I can go back to my AllProWebTools account and I can create a new web page that is called before and after. And this is where I will add the gallery number 5 widget. So I'm going to go back in here and I'm going to delete it from here. I'm going to press save and I'm going to go back to my web pages because here I'm going to create another web page and this one's going to be called before and after. I'm going to add it and here I'm going to edit it and I can add the widget that I just deleted. Go back to my gallery and it was number 5. So I just type that in right here and hit save. Now that that's saved, we can go to settings. Here, we're not going to add it to the menu bar, but we are going to make our image gallery the parent page. So if we scroll down here and press image gallery as the parent page, I'll show you what that looks like. So we're going to press save. Once we go back into our website, we can see what that did. If we press on image gallery, we can see here that it didn't show up. Now, that's because we have one more step we have to do in order to create the tabs. To do this, go back to your AllProWebTools account. You're going to need to add a gallery image sidebar. In order to do this, I can hover over settings and click on website. From here, I'm going to scroll down and within the add-on settings, I'm going to go down to the last option here with the gallery pages sidebar. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to click update information so it saves. And now I'm going to go back to my website and I'm going to click on image gallery. So you can see here that it added here. We have our photo gallery, we have our image gallery, and we have our before and after pages. So we can have all the different tabs. And in order to edit these, you can go back into your AllProWebTools account, click on website and go to my web pages. From here, you can directly edit the image gallery. So you will be editing this one, or you can edit your before and after. So each of your web pages is embedded within the main image gallery. It's just in different tabs. And if we wanted to add a caption for one of those photos, we can go back to website and gallery. And we can decide which one we want to edit. We're going to edit gallery number 1. And we're going to add a caption to this photo right here. So it's all saved. I'm going to go back into my website, image gallery, and I can see if I hover my mouse over the photo, it pops up the caption. So that's how you create and edit a gallery, as well as integrate it with your AllProWebTools webpage. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy helpful videos like this, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified when AllProWebTools posts a video to help you manage your business.